What is up, me by Soupman here, and today we are playing World of Warships. We got a new game mode, which is Big Hunt. I gotta switch the thingy. I don't really want it to either let it be fast, but it takes time for it to go faster, so I'll just go with better steering. Bro, it turns, I'm telling ya. It's good, isn't it? All ahead. Look at that turning. Boom. See, look at that. That's it. Say 1400. That doesn't make sense. Maybe if I hit with 2. Because now I have the power to turn quickly. Oh, that was bad. I'll slow down a bit. Or go backwards because I'm going to hit the island. Reload. Oh, now you do a lot of damage? All ahead, but switcheroo. Oh, we just take off. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, those did a lot of damage. Should I invite him? Actually, yeah, let's do it. Nice. Ah, I love our icon. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, nice. Oh, he has the Hector? Oh! Nice, I got him. Oh! We got him. Don't worry, I know how trajectory works. Watch out. Whoa. Oh, get wrecked. Boom. Should not have used that, because what if he shoots at me again? Wow, perfect timing. I haven't even gotten hit once. Oh, hell yeah, this is the shit. Never mind, he's too far away. Oh wow, oh my god, someone got destroyed. Oh, he's so close to death. Oh god. Hurry to the portal. Oh, the portal's open. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. I am out of here. Past this. I'm heading to the portal. Screw this. Oh god, this might hurt. Ow. Oh, thank you. Red Hood, we're heading home, boys. Oh, sound the horns. Had a little bit of horn left. Yeah, when you turn, you lose a hell of a lot of speed. Oh wow. Yeah. Ooh! GG, we did it. Nice. You nailed it. The battle is over. You may navigate to the port. You head straight into a new battle. The current selected ship will be unlocked. Alright. Yeah, that's the Big Hunt on World of Warships. We'll just go into a normal battle. What ship shall we use? Damn, I don't know. There's a lot. The Kodovsky, that's what it is. And the horn. Is music to my ears. Yes, sir. I do not want to head first because I swear I get pulverized by enemy ships. Like, let me tell you. Oh god. Oh yeah, what battleships do we have? The New York and the New York. They haven't changed designs. The Wyoming changed a lot. And yeah. Oh yeah, for me to find the ships, I have to be within the blue, like, cutted lines. I have to be within that range. Let's get in a good position to where we can get our plane out. Snipe. We'll go for the battleship first. Let's go. Is that good? Oh, that's perfect. Cub. Set on fire, baby. And again. Look at armor piercing up in here. There we go. Zoom out. Two penetration. Excellent. Excellent. I can't speak. Ah, fuck. Oh god, this is gonna hurt. Oh no. The combs versus the Jargons. God, my aim is really rough. Ow, that hurt. Oh, there we go. And there we go. Oh, ow, ow. No, 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 no. Freaking fire damage. No. No. Oh, well, that was a bust. That was the most inaccurate bloody shot I've ever seen. Oh my god. I like how it shows, like, magazine explosions when you make a shot. Nice! Got him. Warning for unsupported content. Team kill penalty applied. What? What did I do? You received a warning for unsupported content. No, I'm pinged. The two torpedoes that I shot a long time ago didn't even hit him. I don't know, maybe I didn't assist him? That won't make sense. Anyways, what's done is done. I just won't be able to fight with real people, which I'm not. I'm just fighting bots. Here, let me hit him in the air, so maybe I can take out his steering. Oh, it's flooded. I shot somebody. Take out his steering. Oh, nice! We got him. And boom! Yes, sir, we did. How many ships was that? 4 ships destroyed. 7 hits to the magazine. All right, this is the plan. We're practically gonna go in blitzkrieg mode. Like, we're just gonna go in hot, all ahead, torpedoes at the ready. And Oi Mechomayasa? I hope I didn't butcher that. Oh, that sounded lovely. Okay. Reviewing my ships. We do have good ships. Oh wait, we can speed up. We were going 35. Oh shit. Wait, no, that's good. We spotted someone. And another. Never mind, now we're detected. Wait, I gotta lay down smoke. Sound the horns! We are caught on fire? Ow. Okay, we can't go far because we can only do 4 kilometers. Oh god, oh god. No, we're not trying to win this. Let's round this bitch. Frick it. No, we're gonna like barely tip his back arse. And that's the end for all of us. Oh, we're still alive. Oh god, oh god, oh god. We're still alive! We're still alive! Oh dear god. Oh, that's hell upon him. Oh, took out almost all his health. Come on. I'm blowing this guy's head off. Nice. How in the hell are we still alive? Oh god, don't hit him. Oh! Oh, we got him! Oh god. No! We were a meat shield. We're an armored shield. We protected him. And that is the last battle we are gonna do. Bye-bye.